Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Gaggia Classic Espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a lot of work as we had to do a tune-up and replace the water pump. Once we replaced the water pump and clean this machine, because this machine was on storage for a while, there were spiders and a bunch of other things inside, debris and other things inside the machine. We cleared all that out. The water pump is inside over there. Most of the cabling as well, we made sure that it was in good condition. We removed a lot of cobwebs and a lot of coffee and dirt and grime that it was inside the whole entire machine. We did clean the entire group head, the portafilter, and back flush this machine. Once we were steaming, we noticed that the steamer was losing some steam out through here and it was not pressurizing properly, so we had to replace that as well. And right now the machine is ready to steam. As you can see, steaming properly. Nice train coming out of the steamer one. Great pressure. Working excellent. And now we're going to be testing the group head. A lot of steam is going to come out through there because, well, we just did the steam and it's a little bit hot, but as the boiler starts to cool down, we're going to see that gentle stream coming out from the shower head. And as you can see, we have 1, 2, and 3, 4 streams coming out through the group head. Nice steady stream coming out of the shower head, really looking great. Portafilter pressurizing as well and working as well. So there you have it, Gaggia Classic working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.